Singsang Tay Tay Lay Ho. My name is Celita Tabalansa, 44 years old from Philippines. I am single parent, blessed have one daughter, 13 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I work as domestic helper of two different countries of 4 years and 3 months. First country is Saudi Arabia, 2 years and 3 months. From August 2008 to February 2011, I serve a couple and three children, 17 years old, 11 and 7 years old. Second country is Hong Kong. I work as domestic helper for 1 year and 9 months, April 2018 to January 2020. I serve a couple and one child, 14 years old. My main duties is cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, cooking, dishwashing, and washing the car. I am willing to take good care of newborn baby, and I can sing nursery song. I love you, you love me. We are happy family with a big break hug and a kiss for me to you. Want to say you love me too. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate. I promise to do my job well. I am honest, respectful, hardworking, and God-fearing. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. God bless.